Look at this beautiful garden, guys. They call it the rose garden. So pretty. Look at all these different kind of roses. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at all these roses. Wow. So very pretty. Look at all that, guys. Now we come over here. See what we got in here. Look at all this. It's so pretty. Different kind of roses. And they got their name on it. There you go. Imperator. This one. Look at that rose. So striking red. Call them La Sevillana. Look at that. So pretty. Very pretty, guys. Look at all this. Oh, beautiful. This rose garden, guys, it's all about roses. Different kind of roses. Look at all this. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Look at all that. So beautiful, guys. They just started to bloom, guys, these roses. This one, they call them apricot nectar. Look at the color. It's got a mix of, oh, pink and white. This one is actually beautiful. Look at that pink color. Beautiful. What's the color? What's the name of this one? You will see in here what color is this one. Color and what's the name of it? They call it blue moon. There you go. Blue moon. So we come over here and we look at these beautiful flowers. Look at that. So pretty, guys. Look at that. Sort of their colors, it's like maroon colors. Look at that, very striking maroon. It's like a very deep red. They call them burgundy iceberg. Look at that, guys. So pretty. This one here, we call them Elena. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Elena? What That's how you pronounce it. That is Elena. Elena Rose. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Beautiful roses. Look at that. Wow. Oh, look at this one. So very pretty, guys. Look at that. So many roses. Different kind of variety of roses. Look at this one. Beautiful. I will show more next time. Alright guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.